What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything going on here in our country that you need to know about on a daily basis, including your money, inflation, which is out of control, gas prices, Social Security, the fourth stimulus package, fourth stimulus check, everything you need to know about on a daily basis. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. It's completely free to do so. New videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You're not going to believe this, but, well, you probably do believe this, but gas prices have hit yet another record high. Unbelievable, isn't it? Yeah, this is as the national price of gas here. The average is now $4.81 here in the United States. It's gone up another 5 cents here. It's gone up 10 cents here in like 24 to 48 hours in the United States. Even though the price of oil is relatively about the same, they're just raising the price of gas for no reason at all. For no reason at all. You can see here a week ago, gas, the average price of gas in the US, I know it varies by state, especially in California. It's out of this world. $4.60. Now it's $4.81, basically $4.82 here. It's gone up 22 cents a gallon in 1 week. In 1 week. You can see here, and diesel, these are the highest prices ever in the United States. And I feel like I'm saying this every single day. When is this going to stop? When are we going to hold these gas companies and oil companies accountable? And remember that the U.S. House of Representatives here, as you can see here, the House of Representatives approved a bill in the Senate just about 2 weeks ago to ban gasoline price gouging. But it's unlikely to pass in the Senate because not a single Republican voted for it in the House. So they passed it in the House because the Democrats can pass bills in the House on their own. But in the Senate, they would need 10 Republicans to vote for it. And not a single Republican voted for it in the House. So I guess, this is one of the bills that baffle me, right? Do we want the gas companies and oil companies to price gouge us to death? I mean, look, it's just unbelievable what is happening here. I just cannot believe it here, guys. And when you look at what's happening in California, look at the prices here in California. $6 and basically 30 cents a gallon for regular and $6.82 for diesel. Yikes. Unbelievable. And I'm sure that there's parts, where LA and different parts where regular is probably close to $7 a gallon. Yeah. And here's an analyst from Gas Buddy on Fox News, and he'll give us kind of his thoughts on where gas is going to go here in the near term. Check this out.
Welcome back. Gasoline hitting another new record this week as summer travel picks up. Gas Buddy is predicting $5 a gallon of gasoline as early as June 17th. The national average of gasoline now at $4.76. Joining me right now is Gas Buddy head of petroleum analysis, Patrick DeHaan. Patrick, great to see you. Thanks very much for being here. So what's your take on gasoline?
Good morning, Maria. You look at this and not a great one, not a great place for Americans to be right now. As you said, we've continued to set record prices every day, and that's going to continue for quite some time. Americans now spending $650 million more on gasoline every day compared to a year ago. You look at some of the month-on-month increases across the country. Illinois up 86 cents a gallon in the last month. Indiana up 79 cents. just seeing gas prices soaring all over the country, coast to coast.
Yeah, but what's driving it? Are you expecting it to get worse in the summer months when people drive more?
Oh, without a doubt. We continue to see resilient Americans hitting the road. Demand is not as high as what we've seen in past history, but given the fact that we're pushing record prices, it's certainly very surprising to see gasoline demand remaining as strong as it is. About 8.8 million barrels a day being consumed by Americans in light of gas prices that are far beyond any records we've ever set. So, after 2 years of COVID during the summer, Americans really at least appear to say to heck with it with the high gas prices. They're going to hit the road regardless.
Yeah, I mean, this is a market that is built on supply and demand. The president says he can't really do anything about it. So, what would it take to get gasoline prices down, in your view?
Well, Maria, first of all, I think there are certainly a lot of things the president may be able to do. Now, they may not bring about relief overnight, but that doesn't mean stand idly by and just let the problem solve itself. We could be talking to oil executives, refiners, saying, what can we do to improve the situation? Obviously, he's taking a trip over to Saudi Arabia. There are a couple of things here and there that the president should be doing, could be doing, but maybe isn't having those roundtables. You look at President Trump inviting tech executives in to say, hey, what can we do? How can we help you? I think the Biden administration is to the point where they should be doing the same thing to refiners, saying, what can we do? What red tape can we cut to improve the situation? But that's not happening yet.
Why is it so much more in California? We talk all about the average price at $4.76 a gallon, but then you go to California, you see signs of $8 gasoline.
Well, even $9.50, Maria, it's getting ridiculous. Some stations in California now $9.45. Now the average is $6, but California leads the nation because of a cap and trade program, essentially a tax on carbon emissions, high gasoline taxes, its own blend of gasoline, environmental restrictions that basically are not conducive for refiners to do business. So there's just all sorts of different rules in California that all have the effect of pushing up prices there.
Ah, that makes sense. So where is this going now, Patrick? In past periods of high gasoline prices, did it change behavior? Does it impact economic growth? What's the impact of this?
Well, Maria, so far, Americans continue to fill their tanks. And, eventually, if we do get over that $5 a gallon price, that could be the psychological barrier that causes Americans to really rethink. Now, the pinch at the pump isn't quite as bad as it was in 2008 if you factor in inflation, which has been rampant. So we're not maybe to the point yet where people are ditching their cars and starting to bike or walk or take mass transit to work. But I think we're going to find that point potentially later this summer, and it could bring an economic slowdown along with it.
Yeah, so let me know your thoughts here. Um, Are you driving less? Are you feeling the pain? I think we're all kind of feeling the pain here of gas and food prices. So we are seeing this around the globe. I've seen a few comments of this, and this is happening everywhere. Gas prices and food prices are at all-time highs everywhere around the globe. So just to kind of let you guys know this, I'll give you a quick glimpse here. So yeah, just to remember here, the average price of the national average for the U.S. here, $4.82 a gallon if we round up here, 4.82. Our closest allies here, the United Kingdom, the price of gas here in U.S. dollars per gallon, $8.16 a gallon. So we're at 482. They're at 816. So that's, I don't know, close to double. Way more money in the UK. Price of gas in Canada, 649. If we round just for, nice even numbers to kind of think of it mentally, 650 a gallon. 650 a gallon. So again, we're 481. They're 650 in Canada. Price of gas in Mexico, pretty similar, pretty close. So we're at 481. They're at 455 as of a few days ago. So this website that I use just from Googling the most recent global prices was as of a few days ago. Remember, gas has gone up 20 cents in the last week, so they've probably gone up here as well. So probably pretty close in Mexico. So not much of a difference. So again, if you account for how much we've gone up here in the last week, a week ago we were at 460. Mexico's pretty close, pretty close. Price of gas in Italy. We'll just pick a few European countries. $7.77. Ouch. Yeah, we're 480. They're 777. Price of gas in Spain. $8.12. Ouch, even more. Yeah. Price of gas in China. 550. But the thing about China is, and the same thing with Russia, is you have that currency devaluation issue where people in China make a lot less. Remember that, the average worker just makes a lot less there. Yeah, like Shanghai has the highest hourly minimum wage, the highest minimum wage in China, and it's $3.90 per hour. Okay. So when you see that they're $5.50 US dollars per gallon, which is more than what we are. So they're paying more per gallon than what we pay, 550 as opposed to 480. That's way more for somebody over there because they're only making $3.90 per hour, and that's their highest minimum wage. Remember, our minimum wage is 7.25, and there's only a few states that even pay that minimum nowadays. To kind of keep that in mind, right? And remember, they're paying more per gas per gallon. They're paying 550. Same thing with Russia. When you look at the gasoline prices in Russia, $3.03 a gallon. You might say, oh, Russia, they're getting such a great deal on gas. $3 a gallon, right? That's not really the case because the amount that the average person makes in Russia is like nothing. That's actually a lot of money because remember, this is equating it to US dollars. They're really paying it in rubles, right? So we're equating it to US dollars so that we can all kind of understand that. But remember that the minimum wage in Russia is 7,500 Russian rubles per month, or the minimum wage in Russia is $2 an hour. $2 an hour. So when you equate that here to $3 a gallon, yeah, it's a lot of money for it's actually it's more money when you realize how much money they make, right? Yeah. So now all this kind of doesn't necessarily make our situation better. We still have to try to fix it here, but this just kind of shows here that inflation and food prices are doing this here everywhere else. I'll just show you this here. You could see all sorts of articles like this. This is from Illinois EDU. Global food prices ease slightly from records, so we're near all-time highs here. As Ukrainian experts foil, they have millions of tons of wheat and exports that cannot be exported. You can see here the prices of food globally that have gone up here. This is for the entire world here, partly because of the war. the pandemic as well, supply chain issues. I will remove myself here from the corner here so you can kind of see this here. But this is going on all around the world, and there's honestly people that are literally without food and cannot get it and cannot buy it. Prices and shortages are very, very bad here globally. So, and you can see this price spike going on here, and we're still at or near these levels, depending on what type of food you're charting or tracking. Yeah, so this is a problem here, and the White House says we're going to have a new food conference. The last time they had this was when they created the food stamp and SNAP program here. So many years ago, they're going to hopefully revamp the entire food SNAP program, and my hope is that they make more people eligible. They increase benefits. There's about 40 million people on the food SNAP program. And so, yeah, let's hope that they make more people eligible and also increase benefits for a lot of people. You can see here this could be a very significant increase for millions and millions of people here coming up. I will keep you up to date here on this. But it also could make more people eligible. It could put more money in people's pockets for food. And this is something that could be very beneficial to tens of millions of people, and also could make, as I said, more people eligible for it as well. There's a lot of people that are just above the line to be eligible for this. So the president says that he wants to potentially revamp this program because you can see here, SNAP is not enough for a lot of people. So let me know your thoughts here in the comments section. I will keep you up to date here. New videos come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't yet. It's completely free to do so. And then after clicking subscribe, click the bell icon so you don't miss out on new videos and you get notifications as soon as we go live with new videos. You can click here to see my new Social Security raise video I just did. Really good video there. Or click here to see my new stimulus check video that just came out here as well. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.